Dave. I'll say something to Dave.
Yeah.
That's brilliant, that's a nice one. You'll say what you're going to play. You're going to play the song for us. Have you already gone through this? And you say what song
No, but I know that I Belong's the first one. No, because the second one's for Animal.
Yes.
Animal.
It's up there anyway.
There you are.
Rolling.
So I'm here with the Dead Agents, and we're gonna find out a little bit more about them. Hello.
Hello. Thanks for having us.
So do you want to introduce yourself then?
Yeah, I'm Dave, singer. This is Adam, bass player. Another Adam, lead guitar player, and Geoff on the drums at the back.
2 Adams and a Geoff and a Dave.
That's it. Yeah. Geoff Sandwich.
Geoff
Discussed
Sandwich.
already, yeah.
Okay, so can you tell us a little bit about what you've been doing then?
Well, we haven't been around for that long. Probably been together about a year, and we've probably been gigging for about 6 months. So not too long. This is about our 6th gig.
Is it?
Yeah.
We feel honoured.
That's it. So yeah, just kind of getting ourselves out there really. Yeah, that's about it really.
Yeah.
We've got an EP out that came out 2 months ago.
Oh, cool.
So yeah, check it out.
Check
iTunes
it
and
out. Check it out.
Yeah.
So what do you have coming up? I know you have something in October that's quite special.
Yeah, our first big gig already. It's a bit away yet, but we're playing with Diamond here. That's the Robin 2 in Bilston.
Are you looking forward to it?
Yeah, it's going to be wicked. Obviously, they're going to pack it out, so we get to play to a bigger crowd than what we're used to. So.
Well, if we can come, we would really appreciate that.
Yeah, of course, you are.
Hey. And of course, I have to ask, why the name Dead Agents? Why not Alive Agents?
Okay. This came from our guitarist, Adam. Well, we've been going through band names over and over and over, and we couldn't find anything we liked, and we thought we'd almost give it up. And Ad came across an article to do with Scientology, which is apparently they do something in there called dead agenting, where they kind of discredit other people to try and shift them out of the gang or whatever it is. And I thought, oh, that's pretty cool.
It is kind
I
of
think
cool.
we all jumped at that and were like, you've saved us, Adam.
Adam the hero.
Adam the hero.
Adam the hero. Okay, so you are going to stick around and play for us some more stuff?
Yeah.
Where can people find you?
Everywhere, so the iTunes, Spotify, YouTube, all of the above.
Wonderful. Well, we are looking forward to it. And yeah, stick around and play for us some more tracks.
Yeah.
Fantastic, guys. We look forward to hearing you. Nice one. Now we've come to the end of our first anniversary show. So, that's brilliant, guys. We look forward to hearing you later on. So, we've come to the end of our first anniversary show. But before we go, we'd like to introduce you to some of the people that help keep this show going. So, here's the crew.
Hey! Round of applause!
How long till the vocals?
Not very long, about, was it 8 bar?
Just play the intro for you so you can hear.
Yep, if you don't mind. We'll do that for everyone.
Where am I going? You have to do selfies. Never done it before.
What's that?
I do selfies.
Selfies.
I never do it.
You're behind the
I'm
times.
really. There's a freedom why I do it.
No.
Hang on, can I get it on it? Hello. I'm my thumb's in it now. How do I do it?
Fingers.
Oh, man, I'm trying my eyes.
Size of them fingers.
Sausage fingers.
Salad fingers.
I'm not very good at that.
Salad fingers.
That's showing you where you
Salad
eat.
fingers.
Old school.
Bird face, man! That's the other ones, isn't it?
Sticking your fingers up
Same
there.
card.
Really freezing God who lives with his mother who eats yogurt salad
Yeah.
out of a bear's head.
Yeah. I know what you mean. God, he speaks
He speaks to a crow or something.
Stingy
That's it,
David,
yeah.
David something, isn't it? He's a bit
What's it called? With James Franco. That was a film with James Franco, the horror film with James Franco, and they were locked in the house.
This is the end.
This is the end, and he goes, check on motherfucking dust, I love you.
Oh.
Come on, come everywhere I want. You come over here, motherfucking dump truck.
You think that's the only thing I jerked off in here? I've been dropping loads around this fucking house like a goddamn dump truck.
You don't come on my stuff!
I'll come wherever the fuck I I want, James. I'll fucking come in your kitchen. I'll come on your fucking art. I'll come anywhere I want.
I will fucking come right on you. I will come like a fucking madman all over you, McBride.
Ooh, I fucking wish you'd come on me right now. I fucking dare you to come on me. God. I'm gonna inject my dick so fucking hard in here.
That's a rehearsed behaviour, isn't it?
Yep.
Ready, Ian?
You ready, Reza?
Set. Fucking smash it.
Alright, in your own time then, guys.
Right, we're rolling. Warmed up?
Warmed up now.
Water.
Oh man.
Does anybody want any water?
That's the hardest one.
If you don't mind, please, I'm the need it dry, thank you.
Yes, please. If you don't mind.
Not good.
Yeah,
Fine,
man.
feel it all.
Shall I do that again?
Just sitting in it.
We do what?
Do you mind doing it again?
No.
No!
Again.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, we did.
Sorry, the camera wasn't.
Thank you very much.
You just go right.
Tell you what, shall we
Was it literally a second?
Yeah, you can grab some if you want to. I'm literally just stopping the car over there.
No. Let's quick cut. 30 seconds. Outside.
Yeah, to the corridor.
This is where Geoff brings it back. Let's get some fresh air.
Well, he's got to do the most moving, hasn't he, really?
Yeah.
Even though he's sat down.
What film's that? And that's what the singer does.
What's that? And just storms off?
Now he just leaves. Rockstar, innit? Because he gets the kid out of the audience who's in the tribute band and pulls him on stage. Oh, why don't you sing one of the songs? So this kid's singing the song and losing his shit and he just kind of goes, yeah, I'll see you later.
What's your name, bro? My name's Mike. All my friends call me Thor. I got a thunder! You know the rest of this one, Thor? Yeah, I know them all, dude. I know everything. I know all your moves. I've studied you, dude. I love you. What do you say? You want to go over the roof off this place or what? Are you serious? No. Yeah! Yeah, man, get out there. Go, get out there, bro. It's all yours.